What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna try to set a base street tune for Joe's car, just so he can drive it for the time being until we get to the dyno. We're pretty confident in my cousin's street tune, although he is still learning. He watched a lot of Hunter Tune videos, Evans Tuning's videos, a lot of online reading, a lot of online research, and he tuned Tiger's car over a month ago, and Tiger's car has been running on 6 pounds, and he's been getting like 23, 24 mpg, which is freaking awesome. Though we slapped in a 450s last week, and then we tuned it again with VTEC because we tuned it on low cam only because we were at like 98% duty cycle with stock injectors. And Tiger's car is pulling really hard, and he's still driving it right now. So with Joe's car, what I am doing is I am installing some 660 injectors from, I believe it's called O-Side Tiger from eBay, and these are Bosch injectors, and they got dead times and everything here for programming it into the S300. So I'm gonna install that. So I noticed before that Joe has OBD2 injectors, and that means I'm gonna have to switch these to the EV1 OBD1 style injector plugs, and have these, you know, obviously plug and play to his new injectors, which are the EV1 OBD1 style injector, which are these styles right here. Now it's important to just twist these injectors into place so you don't rip the O-ring by just shoving it straight into the port. And be sure to remove the filter if it gets stuck. So this is a little puzzle. The injector kit came with its own grommets, and the intake manifold has two. One right here and one right here. Now the aftermarket injectors are a little bit longer than the stock injectors at the nose, and it wasn't allowing me to put the fuel rail down to bolt it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove probably just a little small one right here, remove this little guy, right, put the rubber back in, so that way once it's compressed the rubber actually makes a seal, and hopefully the injector sits a little bit further down so we can bolt it up. So now the injectors are sitting down enough that I can put a 10 mil nut right here, and then once I tighten the center one down, all four is going to go down evenly, and then I can put the two 10s on the side to secure all ends of the fuel rail. Got the injectors wired up, and it's hopefully in the correct order here: brown, red, blue, yellow. And these are the quick disconnect injector clips. I don't know, I just so happen to have these lying around, and just makes things a little more convenient. So my cousin's already here. He already had a base map set up for the ECU, and again, Joe is using my ECU for now because his is getting started in right now at Red Zone. So once we get to the dyno, we'll switch it out. Joe will have his ECU with a brand new S300, and I'll get mine back. So we're gonna set up real quick and you know, do some dialing real quick, and we'll get on the road here shortly. Can't really see anything, but GoPro kind of died after 20 minutes, but we got the AFR down a little bit. And the issue we're having is this thing is normal here on the gauge, but over here it says like 220. And the check engine light for the code 11 like overheating came on a couple of times, so I'm not sure what's going on with this, that, or the sensor on the motor, but we are getting the drivability down, so that's good. And we're about to flip back and go back to the house right now, and you know, the car is good to take home. So we're back home, and I don't know what it is that's making this bay super hot, so the fan had to be override every single time. Every time we would make a pull, it would get super hot. I'm really starting to believe that the ceramic coating is really what's making it super hot in the engine bay, but the temperature would be up in like 220, 225, and that's not really good for you know, daily driving or a boosted car, whatever the case is. Down, bro.
She pulls.
She pulls, bro.
Nope.
Shit. Damn.
I was a little scared. My butthole puckered about that tight, like that. Like you couldn't even.
Hey, that second gear, it surprised me. It surprised me.
It grabbed it good though. It's fun, but it.
Damn, what did I crush my finger on though? That shit hella hurt it.
I don't see nothing.
God damn! God damn! Yeah.
How you doing, son?
You ain't smoking out the back.
Yeah, so the reason why it was smoking at the back a little bit earlier was because this car tends to change the AFR when the fan comes on, the extra heat coming off the manifold, and it changed. But earlier when it was smoking, when we noticed it, it was reading like 13.0. So it may just be the fuel going through the exhaust, which is why it was like slight blue. And then once my cousin remote in just a minute ago, it actually went away. So here we are, driving it, opening up the gap a little bit. I love how quiet it is, bro.
It's stupid quiet.
Stupid quiet. So we got back home, right? And we parked the car, we triggered the fan to be on, and when we were checking out, you know, everything here in the bay, we noticed that the fan wasn't blowing this way, it was blowing that way, and we tested it with a piece of napkin over there, and it turns out that the freaking fan positive is actually negative. See, it says positive right here, and then I hooked up to positive, but it's the opposite. So now I switched it to negative right here on the bottom, negative to positive, and now the fan's blowing the way it's supposed to. Hopefully fixes our overheating issue. And we also have this to kind of help us out a little bit too. Racetemp.com. If you guys are looking for one of those for your radiator, that's where to get it. And the car is gone. So Joe just took the car home right now. He carpooled with his co-worker or something to work this morning, got dropped off, and he is now driving the car home. If you guys don't know, Joe lives pretty far from me, and he's gonna let me know when he gets home. The car, we fine-tuned it this morning, me and my cousin, before he headed to work, so we kind of tweaked the AFR a little bit, and everything is on par, at least cruising for the most part. So he shouldn't kill so much gas when he's driving it, you know, one gear steady wherever it is that he's going. So that should be good enough for him until we get to the dyno. And right now I am literally home alone. Or am I home alone? So I am not sure what I'm going to be doing the rest of the day, guys, but I am going to end the video right here since I'm supposed to be going camping, and if I do record everything, it's going to be in its own video. But I am going to leave you guys with some footages I recorded a week ago from a bar meet that Bay Area Racing threw, and supposedly it was the last meet, but it was pretty dope. Pretty chill. I've never seen the run so packed as it was that night. So, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section below. If I had a car that was running, cough cough, I'd take it to Mexico too. So I'm gonna clean up here. I'm gonna go grab some food and probably gonna watch a movie the rest of the night before I head out. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Now he wants to leave. Oh my God. Take that guy home. First spot. We're gonna hit. After we're gonna go to shit. After shit. That's just hella loud. God damn. That shit is hella quiet. You guys can run all you want, we can't go anywhere. It makes no sense.
Like, yeah, we all gonna run because we're all gonna get out at the same time. Though.
At the same direction. Let's go.